I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by examining the exact failure, hinge, spring, or cracked arm, because the fix depends on that location. Once you identify the part, remove any loose debris and separate pieces carefully, using a small screwdriver to expose the hinge if needed. Make sure to align parts before applying any adhesive. A misaligned bond fails fast. While you prep, hold components with pliers so you can position them precisely, and use the cotton swab to keep glue off unwanted surfaces. Once parts are aligned, apply a small bead of superglue or two-part epoxy to the mating surfaces. Less is more, because excess prevents a snug fit. Then add reinforcement. A thin shim or an epoxy fillet along the stress line improves durability, because adhesive alone often cracks under repeated load. Make sure to clamp the clip in its closed position so the hinge sets correctly. Allow the full cure time, and clean any squeeze out before it hardens to keep moving parts free. To finish, remove excess cured adhesive with a fine file and test the clip through its full range of motion. Small adjustments now prevent failure later. If the original spring is compromised, swap it for a small coil spring or even a short hair elastic loop, because restoring tension is critical. If it sticks or misaligns, disassemble and reglue or replace the failed component. One key troubleshooting tip: if the joint keeps breaking, add a metal patch and epoxy for a long-term fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.